Hi YouTube. I've got a 95 Dodge Ram van, 360. It's a 5.9 liter. And I've got a Jeep Cherokee XJ, it's a 98. And I've used in the past Seafoam, but I decided to use something different, which I've already done on the van and worked great. And it's a combination of Marvel Mystery Oil, and I'm using Sun dish soap with OxyClean, or Oxy in it, and that is mainly for the bubbles effect. And what I'm going to do is start with my motor cold. The reason for that is it's actually a little bit warm here, so I'll stop the recording and then let it cool down. But the reason to start with the cold motor is so that as I'm spraying this in, I'm just going to use a typical spray bottle, and I'll be spraying in the intake, and I'm going to spray the entire bottle. I'm going to be using quite a bit of mystery oil, and fair amount of the Oxy soap. But I'll spray the entire bottle in and then turn the car off. And it's how I did it with the van. Then I will wait about 7 minutes after I've shut down the car. And then when I crank it up, I'm going to immediately romp on it. And the reason is to blow out all the carbon that's in the system. And it worked great on the van. When you see this, you're going to be pretty shocked because, I'll film the exhaust, and it should put out a massive cloud of very black smoke, which is what it did with my van. So I'll continue. I'll let this cool down, and then we'll get to work.